Sorry, naputol. Ayan, anak ko. Naputol eh. Sorry. Dodogtong na naman ako. Ayan. Parang moist. Robon. Dapat doon ako eh. Ayan yung here now in a traffic light. Red light. I'm in the stop now. Sheraton Hotel, TM Building, Soy Tram. So green light. Tawid. Okay. Init. Init. 5 mga pan. Dapat 6 pala. So, init oh. Ayan. Isang ano po. Ayan. Parang doon. The Shining Tower. Shining Tower. Behind my house. My building. Minsan kami nakatira behind Shining Tower. Ganda ng Shining Tower. Dito sa Trump. Mainit. Oh. Kakain. Kalata. Makain. Higyon. Behind. Ai. Hot. Hot. I don't want it to be black. I don't want to my face is black. Since na si Lola ayaw na mag-itim na mangingitim si Lola. So that's why I'm wearing it's too hot, that's why. Ayan. Shining Tower. It's hot, that's why. Ayaw ni Lola become black. Tatawid ako. Ito yung Shining Tower. Wow. Yan. gaano kataas ang Shining Tower. Slanting pa yung ano niya, tayo niya. Sikulitan. Ito yung mga titik deliver. If you want to order the food, and you have to call this motor Talabat noon. No need to go in the restaurant.
Each and everything is moving there.
Ayan, square, square building. Always I'm here when I'm going in the work. Square building, UAE square building. Yan, dalawa, twin building. Yan. Sana mayroon tayong mga ganito kalaking building na mainit eh. O kung ano, masira yung buti ni Lola. Sira yung mga buti ni Lola. Ayan yung van nagdidilip tubig. Malay parang pag dito. Kaya sa mga jogging. Dito tayo sa mga nagja-jogging. Doon lang ako dun sa jogging. Ayan ang Kalidia Mall. So pupunta ako dun sa mga nagja-jogging. I'm going there. Mga park. I'm going in the park to jogging together. It's hot. Feel hot. Taxi nag-aantay ng pasahero. Ito bus stop. Ayan. Ito Daratonia. Kalawakan ng ano yan. Kalidia, Daratonia. Ayan, ayan. Guys, hindi pa wala pang bahay. Bagong tinanggalan yung bahay. Ayaw ko ano naman ipapatayo. Kasi dito sa compound na yung nakapader militar ano ko eh. Susum na to. Ayan. Kalidia mo. Ganyang kalaki ang Kalidia mo. Ilang hektarya siguro? Nasa 5 hektarya siguro. Haba ng Kalidia Mall. I don't have food. Meow. Nag-aantay ng food yung meow. Haba ng here. This side is only for jogging. Only for pedestrian. No, there is no car here. Only exercising. Everyone is dito para naman sa mga tao nagja-jogging lang. Ito. Opposite, this is the opposite of Kalidia Mall. Only for jogging place. Jogging, exercise. Wala pang masyadong tao kasi ano siya, mainit pa eh. Mamayang gabi maraming tao dito. Ano lang yan eh. Nag-exercise lang sila dito at nagda-jogging. Green green road. Ito nagda-jogging sila. Dito hindi ito lalakaran ng walang sasakyan, no cars. Only scooter and jogging for everyone to exercise here, but now is not still nobody because too much hot. Around 6:30 like that. Everyone here to exercise, jogging. So, si Lola ay hindi pwedeng hindi tayo tatakip ng hot. Ito sa ano to. It's very hot. Rain. Yeah. Itong lugar natin walang ibang puro ano lang kung may bicycle, scooter, jogging, exercise, mayroong talagang ito lang ito, sadya lang talaga para sa mga tao nagda-jogging. So, Di pwede dadaan ng car dito. Magalaw. Mataw. Pa isa-isang mayroon. So 6:30. Everyone here. So I am wrong timing. Dapat hindi ako dumaan muna dito. Wrong timing. Nit, mangingitim yung lola. Ayun, spray nit. Tumak. Tumak. Nit kay. Grabe ang init. Ay, hot. Hindi pwedeng masusunog yung kulay ni Lula. Ayan, medyo may ano na. Yung mga nagja-jogging, umpisa na sila. Ayan, pag wala akong trabaho, tulad ngayon, pupunta ako dito magtingin ng mga nagja-jogging. Jogging din ako pa isa-isa. Before, I'm too much jogging here, also in the cornice. But now I cannot do it now. It's very busy and also I am old now. Parang tinatamad na ako mag-ano. I look like I'm feel lazy now to going somewhere, doing jogging, running, exercise. Now I'm changing too much. Unlike before, I'm always going everywhere, exercise, jogging. No, so look like I feel lazy to going somewhere, to running, jogging. I feel tired always. So I'm too much changing because I'm old now. How old I am? This coming August 1st, I'm 60 years old. So, ayun na nalalakad. for them walking for so long, a long hour. This is more than 1 hour. Ako nag-sunglass kala ko. Pag ganitong oras, wala nang araw. May araw pa pala.